University of Iowa Library. Down there is the original car and the modded car. And we have another set of 2 elevators here. These ones are on the same controller. These ones are also a little different from the other 2. Look at this one.
Floor 1, going up.
Set this one up because the other one serves 4 floors. We'll see this one too.
Going up.
There's that. I also, no, these were not, I think these were Kimball.
Going up.
Yeah, this one also has a slightly different cab too. I don't know why, they're all just a little different. Is locked, 6 is locked, 5.
Floor 5. Going down.
There's the other elevator again. And my phone is not liking to focus. Hold up before it closes. There's your fixtures, just your basic innovation. Anyway, that is going to be it. There's a man who got decapitated.